After an earthquake, could you accidentally put your family's health at risk? Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid the most common post-earthquake food mistakes. Mistake 1. Eating spoiled food. Power outages ruin refrigeration. Always inspect your food carefully. If in doubt, throw it out. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Mistake 2. Wasting drinking water on cooking. Water supplies will be limited. Instead, use minimal or no water food options like canned or ready-to-eat meals. It's all about conserving your resources. Mistake 3. Not having a manual can opener. Electric ones won't work without power. Keep a reliable manual opener handy. You'll thank yourself later when you can still get into your food supplies. Mistake 4. Ignoring nutrition. Avoid relying solely on snacks. Choose nutritious foods like nuts, canned beans, and dried fruits. Your body needs balanced nutrition, especially in stressful times. Mistake 5. Overlooking dietary restrictions. Include necessary medications, gluten-free items, or baby formula in your kit. Everyone's needs are different, so plan accordingly. Lastly, improper food storage. Use airtight, waterproof containers stored away from sunlight, moisture, and pests to keep food safe. Proper storage can make a world of difference. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your family's safety in emergencies. If this video was helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more survival tips. Stay safe and prepared.